Hi, I'm Marie. Welcome to Bluebird Home and DIY. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get started. Earlier this year, I purchased this accordion rack from World Market, and I absolutely love it. I've had so much fun decorating it, and I'm excited to decorate it for the fall season here and also for Christmas time. I have this hanging basket, and I just put this Simply Tacky stuff on the back of it. It helps protect my wall, and then my wall doesn't get scuffed up. So we're going to take the beautiful cosmos from Hobby Lobby and we're going to add them into the basket along with some other florals that I have on hand. Pegs and racks are the perfect pieces for these small wreaths. And we're just going to finish it off with a mini tobacco basket and a little hanging pillow. It's always a good idea to shop your house for what you already have. And I had this little vintage blanket that I picked up at the thrift store. I thought it would look nice on my bench along with this pillow I picked up from Walmart. Next, I have this secretary desk in one of my living areas. We're just going to add this beautiful vase and these wheat florals. I've had these wheat florals for a few years now. I enjoy using them every fall season. I also enjoy decorating with vintage books in different colors for different seasons. And we're just going to add my little Amazon duck here, which I just think is the cutest little thing. And I've used it all summer long and also now for the fall. And of course, my little pumpkin candle that came from Walmart this year. In my haul video, I was calling these pods. I'm not quite sure what they are. I did just look them up on Hobby Lobby's website, and I'm seeing some that look very much like this that are called berries, but there aren't a lot left on the website. A lot of things have been bought up for fall, so I'm not sure if they're pods or berries or what they are, but we're going to put them in this vintage basket for my bookshelf. One of the things I'm trying to do is make my life somewhat easier with decorating. So I have some pieces that I am just keeping up on here throughout the seasons. And then I am just adding here and there touches of seasonal decor to celebrate the season, but to not make it overwhelming on me. I had white hydrangeas in this vase for the summertime, and we're just going to switch them out now for these faded style hydrangeas that are more fitting for the fall season.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things.
Fall decorating can be as simple as just swapping out one piece. Here I'm swapping out my bird for a small velvet pumpkin. And here I'm just tucking in a couple of decorative towels on my stove. These actually came from Hobby Lobby. I could not remember in my haul where they came from, but I did figure out that they came from Hobby Lobby.
Mountain Laurel high fives for miles in spring.
Here is a tray that I purchased from a company called Decor Steels. Every day I get an email from them where they highlight a different piece of home decor, and they usually sell out pretty quickly. I wanted to share that with you in case you are not familiar with them. I'm not affiliated with them or associated with them in any way. I just wanted to pass the information along to you. And to this tray, I am adding my little $5 lantern that I purchased from Dollar Tree.
Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
So here is a view that I'm trying to give you a sense of the whole dining area here. I do have a plate on the wall there with some candle holders and candles. And then there's my shelf. Believe it or not, I actually do have a light in here that I'm using, an extra light. It looks like I might need both of my lights because it still seems dark, and I apologize for that. This is a separate living area that I have, and I have this little tray table here along with a basket underneath it, and this is the perfect place for my round tray that I have. So I'm just going to set this here, and I'm really excited because to this round tray I'm going to add my new cloche that I purchased from Hearth and Hand at Target. My next video will be my tiered tray video. I usually keep my tiered tray on my fireplace hearth, so I'll be decorating the tray and I will be decorating the fireplace and mantle area with that. I do have a DIY that I want to do with the tray, so I kind of want to make that its own video. So that should be my next video. It might be a couple weeks before you see that, just to let you know. I'm toying with different things that I want to do with the DIY. I'm not sure exactly how I want to present it or make it, so I'm still thinking on that. But if you're interested in seeing that, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so that you won't miss the video. And lastly, this little bowl that I purchased at Home Goods sits very nicely on my table here. Also, I'd like to point out that those are the placemats that I purchased and showed you in my haul video. This is my little bird picture. I just purchased this recently and I'm not really ready to change it out yet. The company that I bought it from, I can link for you down below, but they do sell seasonal pictures too, and I probably will swap it out for Christmas time. There's my little marble coaster. I always set my drink there when I'm watching a movie. And I just think that this little bowl looks perfect right here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I certainly appreciate your spending time with me. If you enjoyed this video, could you give it a like or even consider hyping it if you really enjoyed it, or sharing it with someone else who might enjoy it. Thank you once again for watching today. Here's another video for you in case you're interested, and I will see you next time. Bye now.